Dear viewers, welcome to the video lecture of realloc function. If the previously allocated memory is insufficient or more than required, then the programmer can change the previously allocated memory size using realloc function. If you are using calloc or an mloc and you are allocating some memory space, in certain point in the program that memory is not sufficient or the memory is large enough than the required one. In this case, we are able to reduce or increase the memory by using a realloc function. The syntax is given here. PTR is the pointer variable. Data type star is the typecasting, which is in the parenthesis. Realloc is the function within open close parenthesis. First, you have to pass the pointer. That pointer is the same where the memory is allocated and the base address is written. So this pointer and this pointer in the realloc should be same, and you have to give a new size. So the existing size of the pointer is overwritten by this new size. So by using the realloc function, we are able to alter the memory. Okay, we will go to code block and we will do a program for realloc function. So I'm creating an empty file and saving the file. I'm giving a name realloc demo1.c. okay, so hash include stdio.h. okay, then I'm including the stdlab.h, which contain the prototype for the mloc, calloc, calloc and realloc function. Not a calloc, it's a calloc. Okay, void main. Okay, within the void main, I am declaring a variable integer n1 comma n2 and a variable I, okay, comma as pointer variable star p. Okay, is the pointer variable. Okay, now what I am doing, okay, I ask the user printf /n, okay, enter the range. Okay, enter the range. I store it in the variable scanf %d comma ampersand n1. Okay, now I am allocating a memory p equal to its integer variable integer star, which is going to store the address of the which is allocated for the integer variables. Okay, integer variable to store the various integer values. Then I am giving mloc function mloc. Okay, then within this I give n1 star size of integer. So the given values are integer values which are going to store n1. If user is enter two numbers, the size of integer is 4. 2 into 4 8 bytes will be allocated. For 5 numbers 20 bytes will be allocated. That's why I am giving it in the expression form. Okay, now I will run the program and check whether I am containing any error. No, it is working properly. Okay, now what I am doing, I ask the user printf /n, okay, enter %d numbers. Okay, enter the %d numbers one by one. Okay, /n comma I am giving the value n1. I am asking the user to enter the the range already given. Enter the range %d will take the value of n1. So %d will take the value of n1. So n1 will get printed. If you enter 5, enter the 5 number. Okay, numbers we have to give it as a numbers one by one. Okay, I am writing a for loop here to get the numbers for I equal to 0. I am using a for loop in this example. I less than n1 and I plus plus. Okay, so now I am writing a for loop. Okay, I am giving a scanf %d comma the variable p, which points the base address p plus I. So right from the I, when I is 0, it will store in the base address. Then I plus 1, okay, next address, and it will increase the 4 byte. Okay, the next address, when I value get increased, I will go from 0 to n minus 1. Okay, every consecutive memory location, the values will get stored. Okay, now after getting the value, I am printing printf slash n. Okay, the entered values are. Okay, I am writing a for loop again, and okay, the for loop, you should not terminate the for loop with the semicolon. Okay, that is an error. I am writing a for loop again. For, okay, I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. I am printing now printf, okay, percentage d, okay, slash n. Here I am giving star of, okay, p plus I. What it will do when I is 0, okay, the base address which is pointed by the p value will be retrieved. Star is indirection operator, it will get printed. When I is become 1, okay, the value stored in the next adjacent memory location will get printed. Likewise, when the value group goes from 0 to n minus 0 to n1 minus n, all the values will get printed. Now I will run the program and check the result. Okay, enter the range. I am giving 5 numbers. Enter the numbers one by one: 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. I am getting output. The entered values are, okay, I am having 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. It is working perfectly. Okay, so here I have to give a slash n. Okay, again for good formatting. What I am doing now, okay, I am writing, I am asked the user printf, okay, slash n, enter the new range. I ask the new range from the user. Okay, then what I am doing, okay, I am storing it. Okay, so using a scanf, I am storing it in the variable. I am storing it in the variable n2. Okay, it is n2. Now I am allocating a memory. Okay, p equal to, okay, then integer star, okay, realloc. I am using reallocating the memory. Okay, realloc, okay, p, okay, what I am doing, okay, what we discussed here, and we have to give a new size. Okay, p comma, okay, for a new size I am giving n2 into the size of integer. Okay, now a new memory space is allocated, that is stored in the p's memory size is, now it is what we did. Okay, p size is, okay, again I am reallocating the p size. Okay, instead of using two variable, you can use a variable n1 also. Okay, for to show some difference, I am using another variable n2. You can able to store the same variable. Now I am repeat the same process. Okay, for saving the value. Okay, so I'm giving, okay, I enter the numbers one by one. Enter the percentage d numbers one by one. I am giving n2 here. Okay, so I am giving a loop n2. The loop will go from 0 to n minus 2 minus 1 I plus plus. The value will be when I get increased. First is the base address and base address plus 1 and 2 in consecutive memory location. The value will be get stored. Okay, then I print the value. Okay, enter. Okay, I'm writing, okay, enter the value, or I am printing the value same, but I am make it as a n2. Okay, loop will go up to n2. Okay, now we will run the program and check the result. I have to give the printf statement. I have to give the printf statement here for the new range. Okay, so we will run the program and check the result. Okay, it shows some error. So what is the error? Okay, undefined reference to realloc. So realloc, okay, I missed a here. Okay, sorry, and realloc, and now I run the program. It is running. So first I am giving, okay, the three numbers. So now enter three numbers one by one. I am giving 100, 200 and 300. Okay, 100, 200 and 300 got printed. So enter the new range. New range, I am giving six values. Okay, so ask me to enter six numbers one by one. I am giving 200, 400, 600, 800, 1000 and 1200. So now what happened? The values get printed. So your new range is 6. 6 values are stored. The same pointer memory is increased and the 6 values are printed here. Okay. So now what I will do? We will see. Now I am giving Okay, enter the range 3. Okay, I'm again give some input. Now I'm going to reduce the numbers range. Okay, initially I'm giving 3. So 3 numbers 100, 200 and 300. Okay, it got printed. It asked me enter the new range. I am giving 2. Okay, so it asked me to enter two numbers. So 1000 and 2000. Okay, memory is reallocated for two numbers. Now, as earlierly, 12 bytes for each integer, 4 bytes the code blocks will allocate. For 3 integer, 12 blocks will be allocated. After giving a range 2, it is reallocated to 8 bytes. Now I give only two values. So the values got printed. Okay, this is the reallocation function, example of the realloc function. Okay, so realloc used to allocate the memory which is allocated by the calloc or malloc function. So finally I am release the memory by using a free function. Okay, I am passing p inside the free function. After my executions or my process are over, now it will release the memory is back to the heap. Okay, so now it is free. My program is working correctly. So enter the range to 1000, 2000. Now I am make the new range as a 1. I am entering. Okay, 1000. So now, okay, the entered value is 1000 got printed, memory got released. Okay, that's it for this video lecture. Thanks for watching it. Those who have to subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you.